let's see how to create dynamic captions in Filmora Mobile.
Wake up to reality. Nothing ever goes as planned in this accursed world. The longer you live, the more you will realize that the only things that truly exist in this reality are merely pain, suffering, and futility.
First of all, open the Filmora Mobile. Then, click on Captions. Now, select your clip and click on Import. Choose your preferred language and click on Add Captions. Now choose the template you desire, and for further changes, click on Project Edit. Click on Template. Here you can change the template, style, font, and animation. After making the changes, click on the tick mark to save the changes. You can also highlight any word or sentence by using the highlight feature. Now, if you want to merge or split any caption, click on Batch Edit and make the necessary changes. After making all the changes, click on Export. That's it for today. See you soon with more simple tutorials.